In Battery Park, the Universal Soldier Monument honors those who served and sacrificed, a powerful tribute. The flags are a mosaic of the 22 nations that contributed forces to the United Nations Command to assist South Korea.
This symbolizes the international cooperation and shared sacrifice during the Korean War. And just nearby, the Immigrants statue captures the hopes and struggles of those who came seeking a new life in America. The National Museum of the American Indian at the southern tip of Manhattan showcases Native American history, art, and culture.
Outside the National Museum of the American Indian, we are reminded of the rich heritage and culture of America's first people.
These four statues outside the museum, installed in 1907, are allegorical representation of the four continents: Asia, America, Europe, and Africa.